you know how to unpin chats on Telegram? Unpinning chats is necessary after you're done with the conversation and do not want it in top of your chat list. Unpinning chats can be done in simple few steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to unpin chats on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram app on your device. Here you can see all the chats. Long press on the chat you will like to unpin. Tap on pin icon with cross from the upper bar. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to unpin chats on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.